Hi, I'm Nina Soden with the Soden Team of Keller, Madison, and today I'm at 160 Oak Manor Lane in Madison, Alabama. Let's go in and take a look. This traditional bungalow-style home is like new and move-in ready. It's located in the fast-growing, picturesque community, the Village at Oakland Springs. Huntsville's Village of Providence developers are duplicating the same traditional community, but this time in the highly coveted Bob Jones High School district. This well-appointed designer home is walking distance to planned restaurants, shopping, pool, clubhouse, gym, and lake with walking trails. Easy access to I-65, Redstone Arsenal, Toyota Mazda plant, and so much more. This home provides 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms with 1,679 square feet of living space. You have beautiful hardwood floors, 10-foot ceilings, and crown molding throughout the home. The open floor plan flows seamlessly from front to the back of the house with the living room, dining room, and kitchen leading all the way back to the 3-car garage. The kitchen provides lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space for storage, beautiful appliances. The oven, the dishwasher, the microwave, and the gas stove all do convey with the home. You'll find that all 3 of the bedrooms have carpet. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet, as well as a private bathroom with double vanity, separate shower, and tub. I have to say that I absolutely love the amount of light you get in this bathroom. And probably my favorite feature in this bathroom is the shower. Gorgeous tile shower with an all-glass door. This home is zoned for Rainbow Elementary School, Discovery Middle School, and Bob Jones High School. Now let's go take a look at the very important master bedroom walk-in closet. I love this decorative tile they have in the laundry room. Across from the laundry room is the mud station, and these 2 things are located directly between the kitchen and the garage. Now let's go take a look at the 3-car garage. It isn't very often that I give a raving review of a garage, but you have to see the floors in here. They have been painted with an epoxy garage floor paint, and they look amazing. Another highlight of this home, just off of the kitchen, we have a screened-in back patio, perfect for entertaining. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this virtual open house. If you have questions about this home or would like to see it in person, give me a call at 256-520-9640. That number again is 520-9640 and let me help you unlock the door to your next home.